who you are and the value of this, and stop letting it be dismissed by yourself and others. It really stems from you first, right? You stop dismissing yourself as a viable businessman. And then there's an enormous amount of, there's going to be a release in all of the relationships that you've developed that got truncated, that got cut off because of this definition of what business is. And you dropped it because you didn't want to get hurt, and they dropped it because they didn't take you seriously. You follow what I'm saying? Once you stop that, you can then revisit that in this secure place and unlock them as well. And from that place is the point of beginning, and everything can move forward in a new way that we have not understood. This is something you get to develop with these people because you know. That combination of what they know and what you know come into a new vibrational essence of what developing this kind of thing looks like. And there's no real words for where that goes or what that even means. So when the business person starts to bring in too much of the jargon of the old way of how it was, you have to move them forward. You have to say, yeah, I get that's how that was, but we're doing it different. We're going a different way. And I'm going to help you, and you're going to help me develop what this way is.